right, boys and girls, we are going to practice how to find the area of a right triangle. Well, it's important to remember that a right triangle is just half of a rectangle or square, right? So you can see that our triangle here is just half of that. Well, how do we find the area of the rectangle? We just take our height and we times it by our width, right? So that would be 5 times 20, which equals 100 feet squared, right? Because they're square feet. But that doesn't give us the area of the triangle. Because the triangle is half of the rectangle, we can just take that and divide it by 2. 100 divided by 2 is 50 feet squared. That's all it is to it. Length times height divided by 2 will give you the area of a right triangle.